You open the door.
So what?
You open that back door.
Oh, I can?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. I like to see everything.
Yeah.
Oh, you got AC running.
Oh yeah.
You want to give me a walk around real quick?
Well, yeah, I just got it done about a week ago. I mean, Gary, he built the box for me.
Okay.
I mean, the HDX 3 18s wired down to 1 ohm or a 5K. MD tears in.
All right. How much electrical?
Sitting at 13.4.
Battery and alternator?
Yeah, 200 amp alternator and 1 battery in the back and 1 up front.
Okay. What's it tuned to?
30 hertz.
30? Nice. So lows.
Yeah.
Well, they're still breaking in?
Yeah, it's still breaking. That's why you smoke.
Yes, sir. I like it. LEDs.
Yeah.
How you doing? That's weird. What happened?
I don't know.
Something happened.
Yeah, I have to check it out.
I'm gonna go look at. Is the back open, or can I look at the back?
With the trunk, ain't nothing in there.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah.
Just walled. Okay.
Yeah, it's a wall.
Does this go up at all?
Nah, but you come right here.
Something's acting up. One of his subs started sounding like a coil was separating. It sounded like a spring. Should be playing put on. Put on one. Huh? That one's a little stiffer. Can I see your alternator? Can I see your alternator? So there's nothing in the back, it's just storage?
Yeah,
okay.
Storage.
So MD8 tank. You built this? Oh wow. What is it? He said it was tuned to 30 hertz? Yeah. That thing plays good.
I want it higher.
You do? It'll meter and be louder, but lows, yeah. Have you metered it yet, or is it still breaking in? HDX 18s. I don't know, maybe you should play it and see how it sounds. That's what I would do.
There's one thing. What if those LEDs came loose?
Oh. drop your phone in that.
Right?
Does the port go down some after that depth? Or does it fold down?
It goes down and then angles. But the LEDs will be right below back there.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.